To all, this is Janardhan, vocational trainer at AP Model School, Panyam, and working in ITRC Technologies Private Limited. My topic is technical foundation on care and maintenance of computers. So it is in ICT skills, session 3, computer care and maintenance. So introduction. Computers and mobiles are very expensive when we take good care of them on a regular basis. We can use them for a long time. This will help us save money as we do not need to buy new devices too often. Take care of our things, whether it is our books, clothes, furniture, or gadgets, is important. Take care of electronic devices such as computers, mobiles helps them to work properly. Just as we take care of our body by taking bath, brushing our teeth, and eating food every day, we need to take care of our machines. So basic tips for taking care of devices. Here are some simple ways that you can follow to take care of your computer. Clean a device such as computers or mobile means to keep the screen, keyboard and mouse clean. So keyboard. First, we should not eat anything over a keyboard. Crumbs can damage the internal parts of keyboard. You can clean keyboard with a soft brush to remove the crumbs and dust particles. Next one is screen. Screen. You can wipe the screen with soft cloth to remove any finger marks and dust. So next one, be careful with food and drinks. Avoid eating and keeping glasses and water or cups of tea or coffee near a computer. Any liquid spilled over an electronic device can spoil it behind repair. Next one, handle device carefully. Handle and move your laptop carefully and avoid dropping or banging it against a hard surface. Even a short fall can damage the screen or hard disk and make the device useless. Using a cover or your mobile and padded case for moving your laptop to protect the device for damage. So next one, keep the computer cool. If your computer or laptop or mobile device gets overheated, internal parts can be damaged. The CPU has an internal fan to keep it cool. You should make sure that fan is functioning. You can also use external fan as shown in figure. Avoid leaving a device in the sun or in a closed car. You should be careful when using a laptop while sitting in bed and make sure that the fan is not covered. So next one is do not overcharging your battery. Sometimes we keep a device plugged in for charging even after if it is full charged. If you leave the device plugged in for a long time as shown in figure, it can overheat the battery. This reduces the battery life. Always unplug the device once it's charged 100%. So next one is always plug in device carefully. Any device being connected to the laptop or computer such as a USB drive or headphones should be done gently. It should not be forced into the port. If you find it difficult to plug in a device, change the direction and try instead of the trying to force it in. So next topic is prepare a maintenance schedule. You need to prepare a plan or schedule for maintenance to keep the computer running in perfect condition for a long time. This can include daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance, yearly maintenance. So next one, daily maintenance. Clean up your email inbox, download email attachment and save in proper folder. Weekly maintenance. Clean your keyboard, clean your monitor, dust CPU and printer. Backup your data to an external devices. Monthly maintenance. Transfer photographs to your computer and delete from the drive. Organize photos into folders or albums. Next one is clean up download folder. Uninstall unused programs and apps. Run disk cleaner software. Run full system virus scan. So next one is yearly or annually maintenance. Clean up the contents list on social media accounts. Clean up an email content list. Update your operating system. Check for expiry of antivirus software and renew. So backup your data. Backing up data means to save the information present on your computer on another device such as CD, DVD, pen drives, like that. Data can recover from here in case the computer stops working completely. Okay. Computers can crash. Human can make mistakes and natural disasters such as floods can happen. So it is important for companies, hospitals, schools, banking, etc. to keep their information safe so that their business can continue to function smoothly and their customers do not face any problem. Scanning and cleaning viruses. Sometimes computer viruses can enter into a computer from such as attacks. We can install antivirus software. This will prevent any viruses from entering into your computer. It is clean any virus that may enter our system before they affected the data. Increase computer performance. If you have been using a computer for a long time, you have a lot of unnecessary files and data such as temporary files and images. When they use too much hard disk space, performance of computer goes down. It is important that we keep clean by removing any extra files. We can use some disk clean softwares which help us clean up the unnecessary files. So next is removing spam from computer. Sometimes we get mails from companies who are advising a bot or try to attract you to their websites. Such mails are called spam. We should never respond to spam and delete it on regular basis. It is possible to set filters in the settings to prevent the spam from entering our mailbox. Most email software have a spam folder as shown in the figure and automatically put all such mail into this folder. Okay, thank you to everyone.